Welcome back to another quick demo here. We're about to dive into the game Kill Switch. Now right before we dive in right in, please go ahead and consider giving this video a like, subscribe to support the channel, and hit that bell to notify you of future content. Alright, let's get into this new game. Difficulty, it is a demo, so let's go with normal. And again, when I say demo, ooh, what was that?
Initiating data stream.
Oh. Anyways, since this is a demonstration, we try to not get too deep into it, or basically rank up the difficulty too much.
Welcome to the Training Simulator data stream. This program was designed to gauge Neuralink compatibility between mission control...
Training sim, huh? Yeah, I thought I was working with a professional.
You're only human.
Why do you need me then?
You're gonna utilize your talent in an entirely different manner than you were expecting.
That explains the complicated setup.
Oh, it's a hint of things to come. The rules of the game are gonna change. The tech you'll be using on the field is a prototype. If you can handle it, and by that I mean control it, you'll have the job.
Let's get the party started then.
Let's get it started. Alright. So we're gonna stand right there. Let's scout real quick. One of my favorite things to do is just scout around and see what we're faced with. So I'm controlling my character right with the left analog stick, and then the right is to move the camera.
Aiming and firing. Position the aiming reticle over the target.
Okay.
Now fire your weapon. Notice the recoil? Remember, use short controlled bursts. Lay on the trigger too long, and you'll end up shooting the ceiling. Try to destroy these targets. Proceed to the next area.
Okay. I wonder how you reload.
Grenade throwing. Let's see how well you can handle
Lob a
it.
grenade into any three bins.
Try throwing a
Press
single
square
grenade
to
into
throw a
each
grenade.
container. If you run out of grenades, there are more on the table. You can throw grenades over long distances, or you can toss them out in front of you. Some grenades have an effective kill radius of 8 meters.
I'm supposed to do inside or? I ran out. What did she say? If I ran out, it's right here. Missed. Not going here. Nope. Missed again. Let's try again here. Did I make that? Let's see that. No. That went over. No. Okay. Okay. 2 out of 3 and. Got it? How about now? What's going on? Okay. That took a while. That was... So what I found out is basically if you hold down the square, I think you are able to charge your throw a bit. Or that's what it looks like. Let's get some ammo here. How do I reload? Okay, so the reload is R2. Go to the next section here. Use the stationary weapon.
Action. you may need to interact with a number of different things on the field. For example, enemy weapon enhancements. Move the turret up ahead. Use it to take out the targets. Proceed to the next area.
So triangles are interaction buttons.
Welcome to the intermediate course. Make your way to the end. Take out as many targets as you can before the timer expires. Results.
I hope
Please
so.
proceed to the next area.
I think we were pretty good there.
We are going to measure how many targets you can destroy while circling them. You will have 15 seconds. Good control. Proceed to the next area.
Basically, it's something you might have to get used to. Pick up a sniper rifle.
Some of your weapons have a scope or zoom ability. Remember, you need an unobstructed view in order to see through the sight. But that's just common sense.
So we press down on the Ranoff.
Proceed to the next area. Welcome to the advanced course. The course was designed to reinforce a fact that one might forget. The operatives are not superhuman. Bullets can kill.
Okay. I recall this is basically the first game that incorporates the whole cover mechanic. Back to the previous station. Okay. Okay. Stay crouched behind cover and press the R1 button to block fire at targets.
In the field, the environment can be used to your advantage. Utilize the terrain. Take cover. Take aim. Take over. Remember that, then you'll do well.
Everything look good on your end? Am I a player?
You tell me. You're the one at the controls.
I could get used to this. And by that I mean, we're good.
That's all I wanted to hear. Congratulations. You're hired. Welcome
Nice.
to the future.
The future. Okay. So create a new save game. Nope. Just a quick demonstration. Continue without saving. Yes. Alright, so the control is something you would have to get used to. Again, there it is. Say
Got
my
a lock
name.
on him. Signal's
Alright.
pretty weak.
Is this
Uploading the
next
breaker.
mission?
Damn it. Losing the connection.
Initiating data stream.
Alright, so this is a loading screen. But yeah, it's something you have to get used to, the controls, and it's not too bad though. The
Base,
layout's not
this
too bad,
is
it's not too
control.
different.
I'm in position.
Alright, opening
Do you
move.
copy?
Loud and clear. Visual and audio streams are coming through fine. Any problems
Alright, so this
on
is where
your
basically you get
I get a
into it.
slight buzz in my head every now and then. Must be the neural link.
end? That should pass in time. Still, we'll have it looked at when you get back. Now on to business. You're to locate the general. He requires some convincing.
You want me to use harsh language?
Well, your actions will do the talking. Transmitting orders now.
Time to start the violence.
Alright. Alright, so we're basically... Ooh, okay. I like how the layout of here, the screen here just happens. Okay, cool. So, let's press start here. Okay. And select. Ah, okay, select basically tells you the objectives. But we press the start button here, and we're going to stop, right? Let's see, we'll get here. Control settings. Probably you can change your layout here. The options for the video and your audio and whatnot. But, yeah. We're going to stop right here, y'all. So, thank you. Thank you for taking this time and going through another quick demo. This was actually an interesting one. It does pique my interest a bit because I did hear this is basically the first game that basically implemented that cover mechanism, right? Where basically you can go ahead and take cover behind obstacles or behind barriers, behind walls and whatnot, right? So this is very interesting. I would like to go ahead and see what the first looks like. So perhaps this could be a playthrough material, right? A playthrough material. Alright, y'all. Thank you. Take it easy. Go ahead and, if you like the video, since you made this far, I assume you did, go ahead and give it a like. And subscribe to support the channel. Why not also share? Comment down below as well your opinion. What do you think? Is this something that you played growing up? Or you look forward to perhaps playing yourself? Or perhaps seeing a complete playthrough? Let me know. And also hit that bell notification icon so it will inform you when I have uploaded another video to the channel. Alright y'all, thank you. Take it easy. And as always, keep it vertical.